If you're wondering how to connect Spotify to Bluetooth devices, stay tuned because in this video, I'm exactly going to show you the process. Let's quickly hop onto Spotify. Now the way that you connect Bluetooth devices to play a song on that device as well, you need to first of all open up a song that you're trying to play. Once you're inside of this song, you'll be able to see this icon on the bottom left of the screen. You can just tap on this icon. This way it's going to show you the option of connecting to different devices via Bluetooth. So you'll see the option called Find Bluetooth Devices. Make sure you turn on Bluetooth on your phone. Once the Bluetooth now has been turned on, it's going to show you nearby devices that also has Bluetooth turned on. Once you start seeing the devices that you're trying to connect to, you can just tap on the device and this account Spotify will be connected to a different device via Bluetooth. So you can just tap on the device that you find in this section. I currently don't have any Bluetooth devices near me, so I cannot see any options right now. But if you have Bluetooth connected on any other device or turned on any other device, you can see all of the devices being displayed. Just tap and select the device that you're trying to connect. Once the connection has been made, if you play a song on your device, the same song is also going to be played on the different device that you just connected. If this video helped you out, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also make sure to turn on the notifications for more quick tutorials just like this.